Yo, what's going on everybody? It's your boy, Full Stack, and this is my first video, kind of an intro video to C++. I just wanted to go over inputting and outputting messages to the console. So in C++, it's very easy to output a message. We're going to be wanting to use cout, and then this is just kind of a boilerplate that it's set in, so let's just start from scratch. So you're going to want to do this in your main function for now because you're starting. We'll talk about creating other functions and classes later on. So let's just say cout because we want to console out to the console. Let's just say, hello, please enter your name. Okay, and you're going to be using this operator to separate, either, kind of concatenate if you want to say that too. Separate your messages. So let's just do end line. So you can do end line, or if you want to make a new line after outputting a message, you can do \n. Either way is good. So for this example, let's just let's ask what a user's name is and let's test it. So we're going to compile it real quick and we will see. It should just print hello, please enter your name, and it should be done. Okay, please enter your name. So now how do we actually get someone's name? Well, what we probably want to do is in order to have a string, you're going to have to include string. In C++, you'll need that. So then we'll create a string called user's name. So this is lowercase. Okay, so now we have a username that they can enter, which is currently set to nothing. And then we're going to output that. And then let's get in there, let's actually get their name. So after this message, let's do cn. Let's do the opposite. So getting input instead of sending out, kind of look at where the data is flowing. So it's going out. And now we're taking in. So let's get their username. And then we don't need to end the line. So now we're going to be outputting what is your name. We're going to be ending the line. Actually, let's get rid of the end line, because it'll keep it all in one spot, so it'll look nice. So then now we're going to get the user's username. And what do we want to do after that? Probably want to output something, right? So let's just say, nice to meet you. And then after that, we can add another, let's just say concatenate this. Let's take in their username since we have that. And then let's end the line. End out, just like that. So now you can imagine, nice little typo. Now you can imagine what's going to happen here. We are addressing a username, which is just being stored as a string. And then we're going to output, please enter your name. Then we're going to get their name using the syntax like this. And then we're going to say, nice to meet you, whatever their name is. So let's see how this works. Should work nice and fine. See how it's not ending the line, so it's all together. So let's just say Jordan. Hi, nice to meet you, Jordan. So that's working good, but we're going to run into a problem when we try and get a string this way, right? What if we put a space? What if we have a space? What if our name is Jordan Alexander? Now what's going to happen? It's only going to take the first one because we're only getting the first string that it accesses. So let's say you want to get their entire name. This is going to be, we're going to have to do this a little differently. So instead of just trying to get the entire name, let's do, you're going to have to ignore, let me just type this out quick. So ignore \n, \n. So what this is going to do is this is going to ignore all the other parts of the string. And then instead of trying to cn and just get that, let's use getLine, which is going to take a cn and then a string. So username. So let's get the entire line instead of actually just getting, one variable as username. So now let's try this. Now hopefully we can get the entire name. Jordan Alexander. Okay, actually you do not want to ignore the line because we are not inputting a file. So let's just do getLine. Jordan Alexander. There we go. Now we get the entire message saved. instead of actually just getting one input. So that's a little intro into, messaging to the console and taking in user input, which we can save this information for later if you're making a game, or if you're just saving information just kind of in general, like if you're making like a bank app, so you want them to enter the amount that they want to withdraw, etc. So thanks for watching, and see you next time.